हेलो गाइस, मेरा नाम विशाल पुंडीर है। और खासकर ये वीडियो मैं इसलिए बनाई है क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग जो हमारे दोस्त हैं या फिर जो अभी स्टडी कर रहे हैं या फिर अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं, अपनी कम्युनिकेशन को इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं, तो हम व्हाट दे कैन डू। अभी मैं प्रैक्टिस सेशन मैंने रखा हुआ है। और मैं क्या करता हूँ कि कुछ जो वाकई में कंसिस्टेंसी लर्नर हैं, जो प्रैक्टिस अपनी हमेशा उन्होंने जारी रखी है पिछले कुछ 4 से 5 महीनों से। और अभी क्या है, मैंने उन लोगों के लिए एक स्टार्टअप, एक थोड़ा सा मैंने स्टार्ट किया था कि इंग्लिश सभी सीखना चाहते हैं, सभी के पास नॉलेज भी है, बट वो प्रैक्टिस कहाँ पे करें। तो उस चीज़ के लिए, उस चीज़ को मैंने रिमाइंड में रखा। और मैंने एक वर्चुअली एक सेशन स्टार्ट किया है जहाँ पे लोग आते हैं, अपनी उनको टॉपिक मिलता है, वो अपनी बात को रखते हैं, डिस्कशन करते हैं और वो अपनी चीज़ों को इम्प्रूव करते हैं जितना भी उन्हें आता है। क्योंकि हर चीज़, अगर आप किसी भी फील्ड में एक्सपर्ट होना चाहते हो ना, इफ़ यू वांट टू बिकम एन एक्सपर्ट इन एनी फील्ड ऑफ एरियाज, देन आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, यू हैव टू डू प्रैक्टिस अलॉट, राइट? इफ़ यू वांट टू बी ए मास्टर और इफ़ यू वांट टू बिकम ए परफेक्ट, इन दैट। सो एग्जैक्टली मैंने क्या स्टार्ट किया है, मैंने मेरा जो फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट भी इंग्लिश था और ऑब्वियसली मैं काफ़ी दिनों से इसको ट्रैक भी कर रहा था। बट मैं खुद इस ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म के तलाश में था कि यार जहाँ पे लोग आए, प्रैक्टिस करें और अपनी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को इम्प्रूव करें, अपने आप को सुधारें। तो ऐसी चीज़ों को फिर मुझे नहीं मिला कुछ ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म, तो मैंने खुद ही स्टार्ट कर दिया और उन लोगों के लिए स्टार्ट कर दिया जो सच में सीखना चाहते हैं, जो अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं। ठीक है, आगे आने वाली वीडियोस में आप देखोगे किस तरह से वो इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं, किस तरह से वो खुद को एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं, अपनी बातों को इंग्लिश में रख पा रहे हैं। तो होगा कि अगर आप कंसिस्टेंट रहते हो तो एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा, अगर आप किसी से भी आप बात करोगे या फिर कोई भी आपसे बात करेगा या फिर आप इंटरव्यू दोगे तो डेफिनेटली आपको आदत पड़ जाएगी इंग्लिश में बोलने की। और दूसरी बात है कि यार आप यू विल बी वेरी कंफर्टेबल विद दिस लैंग्वेज एज यू आर ट्राइंग टू learn and trying to speak with fluent in front of the in front of anyone. So definitely I'm also trying to get it better. एंड अभी क्या, मैं खुद इस चीज़ को बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा हूँ और मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा परफेक्टली एक तरह से फील किया है कि अगर मुझे कोई कॉल्स भी आता है इंग्लिश में तो आई एम वेरी एबल टू स्पीक वेरी मच विदाउट एनी नर्वसनेस, विदाउट एनी फ्रस्ट्रेशन। आई कैन टॉक विद देम वेरी इजली, राइट? सो अगर आप अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हो तो सिंपल सा तरीका है यार, डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है, आप मुझे मैसेज करो, आई वॉन्ट टू इम्प्रूव माई कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स एज वेल। सो वहाँ पे क्या होगा, आप डायरेक्टली मेरे व्हाट्सअप पे आओगे, व्हाट्सअप पे वहाँ पे आपको मैसेज करना है, आई वॉन्ट टू इम्प्रूव माई कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स। अदरवाइज आप ये भी बोल सकते हो मुझे इंग्लिश सीखना है। अगर आपको आती है, नहीं आती है, ठीक है, अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हो, आप सीखना चाहते हो कि हम कैसे, मैं कैसे बोल सकता हूँ, मैं स्टार्ट कैसे कर सकता हूँ, ठीक है, तो मेरे पास बहुत ही अच्छा टेक्निक है कि आप कैसे स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, कैसे नॉलेज गेन कर सकते हो, राइट? वो चीज़ें मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा। पहले मैं एक बार मैं आपको चेक करूंगा, चेक इट मीन्स लाइक आपको कितनी आती है, राइट? क्या आप प्रैक्टिस सेशन के लायक हो या फिर नहीं। अगर नहीं हो, उसके लिए भी एक अलग प्रैक्टिस सेशन है। अगर आप हो तो फिर प्रैक्टिस जो हम करते हैं उन लोगों के लिए मैं आपको उसमें ऐड कर लूंगा, राइट? तो यहाँ पे क्या है यार, वो चीज़ एकदम फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है। अगर आप अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं, आप और ज़्यादा सीखना चाहते हैं, तो दैट इज़ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट एक्चुअली, इफ़ यू वांट टू कीप इन टच विद दैट प्रैक्टिस सेशन। अगर आप प्रैक्टिस सेशन के साथ जुड़ना चाहते हैं, आना चाहते हैं, या फिर तो खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहते हैं, पब्लिक स्पीकर बनना चाहते हैं, तो वहाँ पे क्या, मैंने आपको एक एटमोसफियर दिया है, ठीक है, जहाँ पे आप अपनी स्किल्स को सुधार सकते हो, इंग्लिश सीख सकते हो, ठीक है। आपको कहीं और जाने की जरूरत है, कोई भी कोर्स परचेज करने की जरूरत नहीं है। मैं आपको बस एक बार में आइडेंटिफाई कर लूँ कि आप कहाँ पर हो, किस, आप पानी में हो या पानी के ऊपर हो, ठीक है। तो डेफिनेटली डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, जस्ट मैसेज मी, लिंक इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन। मैं अच्छे से उसमें लिंक आपको बता दूंगा कि लिंक कहाँ पर है। मैंने आपको बता दिया डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है, वहाँ पे जाओ, फटाफट से मुझे मैसेज करो। देन डोंट वेट फॉर मोर, just improve your like communication skills from today and tomorrow as well as you want to start, because अगर आप कुछ भी बनना चाहते हो ना, तो डेफिनेटली आपको स्टार्ट तो करना पड़ेगा। आप पैसे कमाना चाहते हो, वो आपको सीखना पड़ेगा। अगर आप इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करना चाहते हो, वो भी आपको सीखना पड़ेगा। अगर आप लाइक वेब डिजाइनर बनना चाहते हो, ग्राफिक डिजाइनर बनना चाहते हो, डिजिटल मार्केटर बनना चाहते हो, आप कुछ भी बनना चाहते हो ना, ठीक है, वो आपको स्टार्ट तो करना ही पड़ेगा, आपको सीखना ही सीखना है। तो आपको क्या है, ज़्यादा वेट ना करते हो, अभी स्टार्ट करना है। और हाँ, थोड़ा सा आप देख लो कि किस तरह से सेशन होता है। मैं आप आगे आने वाली वीडियोस में आप देख सकते हो कि किस तरह से सेशन हो रहा है, और इसको आप एंड तक देखना ताकि आपको एब्जॉर्वेशन हो जाए कि हाँ सेशन मेरे लायक है या नहीं है, फिर समथिंग इज गोइंग गुड और नॉट, राइट। तो अभी आप देखो सेशन, और फिर आप नीचे कमेंट्स में भी बताना कि आप जुड़ना चाहते हो या फिर नहीं, राइट। और हाँ, अगर आप नए हो ना तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किए बिना बिल्कुल मत जाना, क्योंकि हर चीज़ आपके लिए फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट होगी मेरी तरफ से। ऑब्वियसली लोग छोटे छोटे कोर्सेज बना के उनको सेल कर रहे हैं, बट नो, everything I will provide you with free of cost. This like on mobile phone and family, right? Distance between mobile phone and family, which is important, I think so.
Yes.
Okay, so Aki brother, please go ahead with this topic, and till then, I'm just coming within 2 or 3, because I prepared something for myself, so I think it got be cold till then.
Okay, I will start today. Thank you
Yeah.
for the opportunity.
Yes.
Very warm good evening to all of you, my friend. So our topic is our we everyone know in today's life how much important is mobile phones. So everyone wants attraction towards themselves that we should have mobile phone. Their life is going on mobile phones only. But if we are using technology in good ways, we are having some disadvantages also. The most disadvantage is that we are going far away from our family. As you can see, in ancient time we are very much close together, a person to person. But nowadays no one is no one is active with each other in our particular society where we are living. Uh, they are more, you can say, they are more active on the social sites, but in reality they are not having a true friend. In the Facebook you might be having thousands, or you can say hundreds of your friends on Facebook, but in reality you are not having a true friend, even a single person. So incident happened with me. One of my friends, he was using his phone so much that he was very much addicted to the phone, on Facebook, Instagram. All the day he spent on his phone. One day his mom asked that, teach me also how to use phone. Then he asked mom, what you will do, you don't have any friend? Then his mother replied him that you are always busy on phone. If I will know how to use it, then you can also start talking with me, because you are not having time for me. Then on seeing this particular thing, I got tears in my eyes, that we are giving so much importance to the mobile phones and the social side, that we are leaving behind to our families, even to our friends. If you see in today's world, there is no true friends. In reality, the people are only, whenever they feel sad, they are updating the status, we are feeling sad. And on the Facebook there are only false friend. Everyone knew this very well. A true friend is not too easy to find on the social sites. So I would like to suggest that we should use technologies, we should use social sites only to a limit. But if we are using it unnecessarily, or spending our full day on it, then we are, I think, we are spending our wastage of time only, it is there. Instead of that, if we sit with our family, share our feelings with them, if we understand them and give time to and spend with time with them, then they can easily understand our feeling also. And in most of the family, the nowadays you have seen the peoples are very much active on the mobiles, they are playing games, due to which they have to face a lot of problem. As in trend, it is a game Free Fire. Lots of people are playing the games in which they are doing their top up, they're spending money on that, due to which the family has to face a lot of problem, because they are spending money without asking permission from the parents. So this is a major cause. In If we are being active on the social side, we are mentally weak and physically also weak, because if we are spending time on the phones, we are not able to go outside play cricket. As you have seen that the most of the people are weak. And okay, brother Vishal, you can carry on, I will tell afterwards.
Thank you so much, brother. And the thing is, yeah, Shubhangi, actually, topic is, like what is important between family or mobile phone, right? And if family is important, then why we always use a cell phone in a day, right? So this is the topic of the day, actually. Exactly, we can say technology and family. Okay, so the main thing is, I think Mr. Shobit is also here, and he's a this he's a like he also wants to speak something on this topic. Then definitely we'll give such chance to speak him, right? So Shobit, are you there?
Yes, sir. I am here.
Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead with this topic, and thank you so much for coming over here at first time. You're most welcome.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
I think I start at last.
Yeah, if you want to share some like 1 or 2 points, then you can share between like what is the important, technology or family.
I want to say something, but at
Okay,
last.
okay, yeah, sure. Yeah, till then you can absorb like what we are speaking and how we can
Yeah,
speak,
yeah.
right, in this. Yeah, thank you so much. Till then, I think if I want to say something about like what is the difference between, and you know the main thing is, whenever I go to my hometown, then definitely I try to keep in touch with my family, like my father, my grandmother, and my my mama is also, I also keep in touch with her, because I think technology will be for always. I know, and I feel such kind of things that family, like your parents will not live all forever with you, right? So I always try to keep in touch with him, and I take time. Yeah, I use cell phone a lot, but yeah, I take time at at evening, at in the morning, and at we can say afternoon. I always try to connect with them and talk with them. So I think this is also the way to love your family, accept the technology. Yeah, technology is a different way where you can work, where you can like make your life easy, and you can work something, and if you are good at something, then definitely technology will help you. But who founded you? Your parents founded you, right? And exactly, your parents gave us such kind of this birth, and they came you on this earth. So definitely, if you don't have a time to talk with them, and if you are always busy with your phone, and I would say, yeah, if you look your father, your mother, they want that their children try to talk with them, like what's actually happening in their life, right? And what's happening in their mind and in their heart, right? Is there something they're getting some kind of depression or such kind of problem they're facing in their life or not? So I think most of the person they don't do such kind of things. I always recommend, please try to do it, and always try to know this kind of things, like what you actually want, right? And what do you want to do in your life, for your family, for your parents. So I think this is a few points which I keep with you. Which so thank you so much for listening me, and I think we want to move forward with someone. Yes, Shubhangi.
Hello.
Yes, yes, please go ahead with this topic.
Okay. So, in this topic, so we have to choose one thing, like we have to decide what is better, right?
Mm.
Or, I mean, have I understood the topic? This is the topic, right?
Exactly, I think topic is like what is more important
Hmm.
if
Okay,
you are
okay.
if you are working, and if you are spending your whole day with phone.
Okay, okay, okay. So, first of all, I would like to start with the thing that technology and family both are important. I mean, they provide their role and their support at their own places. But the major difference between technology and family is that technology gives us mental health and family gives us emotional health.
Hmm.
Okay, so the thing is that um, we should always have a balance between these two. So since like the last year, since the lockdown has happened, so we are very much dependent upon technology for everything. Like for each and everything we have to check our phones.
Right. Subangi, you are mute right now.
Oh, sorry. I mean, I was
Hmm.
speaking and I didn't know that I was mute. Okay, okay. Yeah, okay. So I was saying that, yeah, we have to maintain balance between technology and family, because since the lockdown, we are very much dependent upon technology. Each and every work we do is dependent upon technology. So, I mean, what I do is I always, on the weekends, I spend time with my family, because Monday to Friday, I am busy in my schedule, in my preparations and studies and all. But on weekends I always I have a separate schedule, I have a separate timetable for family. That's it. And in the weekdays also, we should not be like we are totally indulged in our phones or everything. So what I personally do is I keep all the notifications off. Like I don't have even WhatsApp notifications on, because I use my mobile very rarely. Like only if I have something in mind that okay, this I have to do after opening my mobile, then only I turn my net on. Otherwise my net is off the whole day, so that I don't get disturbed in the scene. And we cannot compare technology and family, because technology can betray us but family can't. Okay, so yes, we should not take anything for granted, because each has its own value and importance in our lives. But yes, we should maintain a balance, that we should use technology that it doesn't hinder our family life, and we should take care of the family that it doesn't hinder our work and all the matters on technology. So yes, if I have to choose one, then obviously family is more important, because it is there. Even if I take an example, that if the electricity goes away, then we don't get the Wi-Fi. Technology has betrayed us, but even if at that time family is with us. So yes, even if we have any problem, financial or anything in job, college or anything, then technology won't help us, the family will help us. And if we ask our problem or something topic to my family, then even if they don't know the answer, even if they don't know the solution, they will somehow tell me the next day, or and anyhow. So yes, I strongly believe that uh, family can do all the works of technology, but technology cannot do all the works of family. So yes, that was my point.
Nice. Exactly. And but after knowing all the things, like technology is helping a lot of in every work and in every situation. But I think if I talk about the reality, like what love you the most, so definitely your parents love you the most, accept anything, right? Whether it might be technology, it might be like unknown person, it might be some other person, it might be anything. So the real love only I think we can say parents give you. And so because I personally experienced this kind of thing, because only they know you well, and they always support you, whether you are getting such kind of condition, if you want to need something like some money, some other things, they feel that I think our children is, I think, struggling with the money, such kind of things they can feel. So
Yeah, actually, one point you mentioned, Vishal, that our parents might not live long and we might lose them any day. It is right. I mean, it is the reality. Okay,
hmm,
but till they are here, then we are very supported, and we are very nischint kind of thing, that
hmm,
we don't have any tension in life till they are here. And most probably, like 99% parents are living when we get settled. Oh no, only
right.
yeah. So when we get settled, then we like don't as such need their emotional or mental support at like that much when we are settled. So yes, everything is temporary, everything will stop one day, but we should not take tension of that, because technology is based on money. Like if we don't have money, we can't buy technology. But
Hmm.
parent, if there is only one love that is unconditional, that is family.
Hmm. Exactly. So right now, I think here is like someone, and we will move forward with someone. Like Aki brother is wants to say something, but till then, we will move forward with Vijay. Then we will come to you, brother, Aki brother. Yes, Roman Vijay, are you there?
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, yes. How are you? What's up? So please go with this topic.
The topic of the day is can I can I get the topic? What is the topic basically?
Are you here or are you there?
Actually, yeah, I was listening, but yeah, topic is going on about technology or family. Yeah,
Hmm. Exactly. Actually, topic is going on like
yeah,
uh in your life what is like, yeah, and parents is most important, or like yeah, I will not say the parents, I would say like technology is important or family is important. Like how will you define and how will you compromise with that?
okay. So yeah, if I talk about nowadays, technology is now booming, and yeah, after the technology is booming, the yeah, there are social media apps, social media sites. So most of the people are yeah, most of the people are using those social media sites for a lot of time. If,
Hmm.
even if even if they have urgent time, they still use that phone. they
Hmm.
they still check whose message is coming, whose message not coming. And yeah, if there is any notification, they just go in that application, and they totally wasting their time for a and
Right.
still they are wasting their time. Also they are they are making, yeah, they are making their body as a wrong.
Hmm.
Because yeah, after sitting at a place for 5 hours, 6 hours, maybe 3 hours,
Hmm.
then they also some, then they also have some physical problems as well.
Hmm. Hmm.
So the yeah, when they are using those technology, then there are some many of problems also there.
Hmm.
Yeah, and I'm not saying that technology is wrong. Technology is so much important in this era, because of technology we can earn a lot, we can connect with anyone. And yeah, we we can run our businesses, we can find jobs, we can do a lot of, yeah, we can do a lot of works by technology. But the point is, we are addicted now, we are addicted now to technology. Yeah, and
Hmm.
if I differentiate about differentiate between our family and technology, then I'll prefer that our family is more important than technology. Be- yeah, when we born, then when the technology was not there, our family was there with us. Yeah, and you also said that our parents won't be there for a long time with us. But the technology will there. So yeah, we also, we should, I won't say we also, I'll say we should spend some time with our parents. We should, we should talk with our parents, we should share what is going on in our life, with our parents, with our family. So
Hmm.
and sit with our parents. Why, if we have any problems, if we have any problems, any monetary problems, then uh, in a, then they will arrange money for us. If still they don't have money, but still they will arrange money for us.
Right.
Because yes, because they know you are important for them. But because of technology, you are not giving time to your parents. you are using technology in upfront of your family, and that is totally wrong.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So so that is what I can say.
Thank you so much, Vijay. And I got your point. Like what you want to say. Like exactly whether you are giving your time to your parents or not, but your parents will always you will support you. You know, your parents will always standing with you. Exactly, I got your point. Thank you
Yes,
so much
yes,
for
sir.
coming. And right now, I think we are moving forward with Ankit. Then please Ankit. Then I think Aki brother is also waiting.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. What do you feel actually?
Okay, so yeah, basically the thing is like there's no doubt like we are asking like which is more important for us like technology or family. So my
Hmm.
answer is family, right? Because our family is who you know like always help us like it doesn't matter like what are we doing right now, we are doing
Hmm.
something good or not. So they will always support us. They will try that yes, they want that yes we will grow in our life or something like that. But here we need to understand this thing also like. Technology is also very important. If you know like if we will ask to any youngsters or any person who is studying or at the age of 20 or 18 something like that, for technology they you know the meaning of technology for them is playing games, chatting with friends, listening music, watching movies or
Hmm.
something like that. They use technology just for having fun. But what I feel like technology is more than that. Yeah, and right now we are talking about family. Like family, our family is doing a lot of things for us. So in return, there is something that we can, you know, we need to return to them. Like we need to take care of them, and we will only do that thing if we will grow in our life. And without technology, I don't feel that we can grow, especially in these days. Like today is a time of technology, right? Like right now we are talking with each other through with the help of technology. So yeah, what I feel like yes, family is very important. There is no doubt, but yes, still what I feel like technology is something very important also.
Hmm.
Yeah, that was my views here on this topic, sir.
Exactly. Yeah, I think I got some points from Shumangi. I think when when we are staying and far from family, and definitely on that time technology is very important. Because of technology we are connecting with my parents, we are connecting with someone, right? And exactly on that time technology I think, because I also feel such kind of things, because I'm also living far from my family, so definitely I would say.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, and show. Okay, Aki brother, yes, please.
Okay, as earlier I have spoken on the about my family, I will now speak about my technology. As
Yes.
it is 21st century, all know how important and significant part of human life is technology. In 21st century, it is technology is very important. As you know, if we are sitting our far away from our family, we remain in contact with each other easily, as it is very much globalized all over the world. And if we sometimes happen that we are at the office or anyway in the way, and some mishappening happen with our family, then they
Yeah.
can easily call to us and tell us that we are having problem, please come fast. This also make technology very easier. At in ancient time, first we have to write a letter to particular person that and we will waiting for that when answer will come. It take a lot of time. It saves our times also, technologies. It doesn't matter that it make interaction between people very much easy also. So
Right.
where there is a positive view also, there are negative view also. In our today's life we should have positive views only. If we are taking negative of anything na, then we cannot progress much far. So according to me,
Hmm.
and sometimes if we are having technology, like we are having security camera in our houses, it protect us from many things,
Hmm.
all know. And Vishal, one of my friend is there, Aditya. He is joined now only. He also want to speak something.
Okay. He's Aditya. Okay.
Hanji.
Yes,
Hey
Aditya brother.
everyone, good evening.
Hey,
Good evening, everyone.
very good evening, brother.
First of all, sorry for interrupt. What's the topic?
Topic is what is most important, your family or technology? Because these days we are spending our whole time on phone.
Okay.
That's why we are discussing.
Okay. Well, according to me, a family is more important rather than technology,
Hmm.
because we all are know about the technology. We are uh, all are very busy in the technology.
Right.
Like we all are घिरे हुए हैं, मतलब हम लोग.
Hmm.
Sorry for I'm not taking the word.
Okay, it's okay.
So,
Yeah. Yeah, we can say like technology is around us, like
around us.
at
Yeah.
yeah.
Thank you.
Hmm.
So we are not spending a lot of time with our family, and we are all day use mobile phones and other gadgets. Like you see nowadays, iWatch is in a trending. People
Hmm.
are buying very expensive watches.
Hmm.
I think so. It's wrong, maybe, because we are spending a 50 to 70,000 in a watch. It's a
Hmm.
maybe not a good option. We are just watching our time. So why we are not watching on a clock?
But we are getting so much
So
option in the watch, except the
yeah,
phone.
we are buying a low cost watches in the market. We are seeing a low cost watches in the market. So they are not a good option to buy a 70k rupees
Hmm.
watch. It is a very harmful for.
It's not, brother. I think it's not
Mhm.
harmful for that kind of person who have a who don't care about money, because who are, it
Yeah.
might be that their family and their father have so much money, and
So
so
much
they will,
money.
yeah.
Yeah.
So why they will take care of money? They will invest.
Obviously.
Hmm. Yes, please.
Yeah. That's all about my thoughts about the topic.
And have you ever feel like, I think we should be close these days with like mama and papa,
Yeah.
because like most of the time we always use, even if we are like having a lunch or having a food and having a dinner and having a breakfast, we are just like
Yeah.
open the comedy and film
Yeah.
and any kind of whichever we want to like, and we will play and we will have some kind of things.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. I agree with you. Yeah.
yeah, so I think it should not be happen. And yeah, if most of the, not most of the time, sometime I also do, but not there when I was in in my hometown. Right now
Yeah.
I living in Delhi, so definitely I think I do here, because I have a lot of work to watch and and to do. So
Mhm.
that's why I arrange the time, and it's even I when I wash my cloth, and I just put my headphone in my ear, then definitely I try to like that podcast, like Rich Dad Poor Dad and such kind of podcast I listen.
Yeah. I also heard
So
when
it's
I was in
yeah, it
metro
was
and
hmm,
yeah.
during travel and during some other necessary things, we can use it, and so we will not do, we will not waste our valuable time when it is very necessary for doing another work, right?
Yeah. Obviously.
Yes. So
Yeah.
yes, okay, Shobit, are you there?
Yes, I am here.
Yes, brother. Still I'm waiting.
Okay, I will start.
Yes.
Thank you, Vishal, for giving me this opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, I want to give my intro in short.
Right.
My name is Shobhit Jain. I have done my graduation from CCS University. Sorry, I done my graduation
Mm-hmm.
in BCom honors from CCS University campus Meerut. I
Mm-hmm.
want to become a successful businessman, and I belongs to a joint family. I am from Hapur. Thank you. Now start the topic. I noticed we all agree with family is important more than technology.
Mm-hmm.
But uh, but it is wrong. No. But mm, sorry.
Yeah, no problem. Just be relaxed and be confident. Speak simple sentence towards the topic.
But we do not spend time too much with family,
Right.
as we know. uh, Family time is better. If
Hmm.
we spend time with family, uh, uh, my mother father wants with that we spend time
Right.
with them, but we are not. We used technology only, and they said, uh,
Mm-hmm.
they said uh, take food, but
Right.
we are not. We are only busy in technology.
Hmm. Right. Because they care of yours thing. Like if you are not having food, then they are take caring of like, have you done your food? Have you done your breakfast? Have you done your
Yeah,
like
yeah.
lunch and dinner? So they always take care of your like necessary things. And yeah.
But we don't listen them.
Yeah, we are child now. We are child.
Yeah.
That's why. I if I say like, I seen so many people, when his parents has gone, and they are, they miss a lot after when they gone. But
Hmm.
when they were alive, on the time, I think, because I seen and I feel such kind of things with someone. So that's why, if our parents is alive still, then definitely, uh, try to do such kind of thing for them, that like your every action, your every, everything's make them happy. Yeah, it might be respect, it might be, your action which you are doing for, in your society or
Hmm.
for your career. So always try to make them happy. So I think so.
Uh, we should maintain both things,
Hmm.
technology or parents, but we are not actually.
Hmm. Right.
Yes,
Actually,
that's all.
technology is just a option, but parent is not a option, right?
Yes,
Because
yes, yes.
yeah, exactly. And if I talk about like, technology, then definitely, if you want to do, and if you want to do smart work, then definitely you can go with the technology, right? And if you want to feel, alive, if you want to feel a
Yes,
moments, then you can go with your parents.
we feel some bad things. That time we go
Right.
for parents.
Hmm.
They help them. They help
Exactly.
us.
Hmm. And like, when you did a blender mistake in your life, on that time, still they are supporting to you.
Yes,
Only your parents will support you, and another person, who is society, the people who are your friend, everybody will discuss you, right? Because you did a big mistakes in your life, but your parents still is supporting you. Why? Because you are the child of your parents, that's why. And it's a blood relation actually.
yes. We spend too much time with friends, but we don't want to spend time parents. We
Hmm.
ignore parents.
Hmm. Because we want that, I think we have an option that parents will be always, you know
Yes.
so yeah, that's why. And whenever when you will go. Okay, yeah, Aki brother, definitely I'll come to you. But yeah, let me complete my points. um exactly, when, if you suppose, if I'm very fond of to playing cricket, then definitely I, when a sun arise, and I will wake up in the morning, and I will just have a breakfast, and then I will put my wet in my bag, and I will go around. I will go to outside to playing a match, and I will return to my home at in evening. right? So
Okay.
in this condition and this position, I think is still your parents, your mother will missing you. Mother is missing you, that have
Waiting.
you done your breakfast, have you done your lunch, such kind of things. And so they will she will also, okay, yeah, time gonna be over. Definitely, I think, please try to rejoin this session again, because I think it's being ended. That's why, because we have only 40 minutes free. Zoom allows only 40 minutes. That's why. And please rejoin it again, and then we will discuss more on this topic. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. I enjoy this
Exactly.
session.
Please rejoin
I also
again.
enjoy. Thank you for joining.
Yeah, please rejoin again, and we will take
Yeah.
more 30 minutes and 40 minutes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much for connecting with me. Till then, tata, and let's meet my new video.